Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my Young Living haul for the month of May.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
First, I got some more hand sanitizers from Young Living. They are nice and gentle and don't contain gross, harsh chemicals. I got 3 of these little sizes. I first got this because I have a newborn and I wanted just an easy way to get rid of germs around a newborn, and I ended up loving it. I'm not like a huge hand sanitizer fan, but having a newborn, it's really nice to have in my diaper bag. We just flew to Arizona, the baby and me, and it was so nice to have this on the airplane because airplanes are just full of nasty germs. Because I order every month, I get something free every month, a little goodie, and this month it is the Thieves toothpaste. This is the Aroma Bright, and yeah, it's a nice, healthy, natural toothpaste. I'm gonna be honest, I don't love their toothpaste, but I don't hate it. I just don't love it like a lot of people do, but this will be great, especially for travel, because it's a nice small size. On to oils. First of all, let's see. Okay, I got Peace and Calming. Peace and Calming comes in the starter kit, which PS, I sell these oils as a distributor. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below or Instagram message me at Danielle Gets It Done. This comes in the starter kit. It's so funny. Certain oils, like I love at first and then don't like later, or vice versa. I never really loved this, and lately I can't get enough of it. Like, it's one of my favorites right now, and I just ran out of what I got in the starter kit, so I wanted to buy another one. I'll read you the ingredients. It's a bunch of like tangerine, or it's a bunch of citrus. So tangerine, orange peel, ylang-ylang, patchouli, and blue tansy, and it's peaceful and calming, and I've been diffusing it like mad, and I'm really excited to have another one. So kind of along with that, Valor also comes with a premium starter kit, and it is, I would say, 90% of people's favorite oil. I made that up, but everyone seems to love Valor. I bought one months and months ago, and at first I agreed. It was like my favorite oil. And then a couple months later, I wanted nothing to do with it. So I actually gave mine away because I just didn't like it. But one of the ingredients in here is that blue tansy, which is in Peace and Calming. And so I thought, maybe since I like Peace and Calming now, I'm gonna like Valor again. And I was right, because I opened this last night. I like it again. So I'm glad to have this. What is in here is black spruce leaf oil, camphor wood oil, blue tansy, frankincense, which is my favorite, and geranium. And Valor is supposed to kind of, as it sounds, like give you confidence and help in stressful situations. You can rub it down your spine or put it on your wrist or diffuse it. And my son has ADHD and anxiety, and he gets super shy in certain situations. So I researched the oils, and I'm comfortable putting this on him. And I told him, this oil makes you brave, and it helps you with your shyness. So I asked him if he wanted to try some. I put some down his spine, and I think if nothing else, it's just a confidence boost for him knowing it's there. So I thought that was really cute, and we tried that this morning for his track meet. He gets really nervous for his track meets, and his track meet went really well. So there you go. Lastly, I got lime essential oil. This is one of my favorite citrus oils, though I feel like I say that about every citrus oil, so I think I just like citrus oils. but I love the smell of lime. I also have this in the smaller size, the Vitality line, and that one is FDA approved for internal consumption. So I kind of wanted to put that one aside for ingesting and have this for my diffuser. I'm filming this before Mother's Day. I think it'll come out after Mother's Day. And for Mother's Day, I asked for a soda stream to make my own soda water. So we'll see if I get it, but if I do, I'm thinking of putting the Vitality lime essential oil in there. I have some grapefruit, some lemon, and it'll just be really awesome to make my own flavored soda water, because I just realized that those things are expensive, the cans. I finally paid attention to the price, and they are not cheap. They're more than like a Diet Coke or a cola soda. So I hopefully will get one for Mother's Day. If I do, I will keep you updated. Be sure you're following me at Danielle Gets It Done. That is my haul. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave my playlist below of all of my hauls if you want to kind of binge watch some essential oil hauls from Young Living and get some ideas. And please subscribe if you are new and you like this kind of content. I do my hauls every month and some other Young Living content as well, here and there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.